Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Nur Aina Safa binti Khaira Anwar. My supervisor name is Encik Azhar bin Ahmad. My matrix number is B0818104060. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my final year presentation. Today, I'm gonna present about my project, which is development of IoT based smart pet feeder powered by solar PV. First of all, I'm gonna talk about the project description. The smart pet feeder measurement project measure the number of kibble weight and also time feeding for pet owner, pet care center, and who need it. The apps created is for control, monitoring the system, and also view the data. Introduction. The Internet of Things IoT is a new technology model with a global network that can communicate with one another. One of the IoT application is monitoring and control system. This allows manager and automatic control to track performance in real time from anywhere at any time. With the evolution of the Industry 4.0 era, the home appliances industry has made use of technologies like IoT and big data. The objective of this project is to implement Internet of Things IoT for smart pet feeder system, to develop a device that can automatically feed pets without the owners present by using microcontroller-based system, to raise their pet in healthy life with complete nutrient needed, and lastly, to design the solar-powered pet feeder system. Next, problem statement. What's problem that inspired me to do this project? So, there are 4 problem statements. At first, pet owner cannot leave the pet by their own. Second, some pet will certainly eat some type of food. Third, some pets are unable to limit their diet and will eat as long as food are available. Lastly, pet owner will also be upset if there is a blackout when leaving the house for a long time. So next, methodology. For left side, this is general process flow for me to complete this project. Start from means searching my supervisor, and then identify the title, objective, and also problem statement, and then research of a literature review, analysis and collect the data, Gantt chart, planning, block diagram, and flowchart. Next, design product and system. After that, project implementation and modification, testing system, and then working. Is it the project working or not? If not, need to troubleshoot. And then if the project working correctly, and the data collect and analysis, and lastly, conclusion. For the right side, this is the project flowchart. First, start with the link server connected to device, and then we need to see either the server connect or not. If not, we must connect first the link to the device, and then if yes, we need to check either the power on or not. Are this time to feed? If yes, set the weight of food. When it arrive 4 times setting per food to the container, is the weight of food enough for setup? Pour the food again until the weight enough. Next, evolution of pet feeder casing. First picture is from others project, which is from via internet, and second picture is paperboard. I'm using just a sketch for me, and third is final design. The table data shown the result of weight measurement of food dispenser in 5 days. Each day, the project was tested twice. As you can see, there are twice failed results. This failed because of the node MCU ESP8266 lost connection with Wi-Fi. 8 December in the morning and 10 December in the evening shown the lowest accuracy. This case is due to the connectivity. The rubber blade has stopped even though the weight is not enough. The calculation for solar system. In this calculation, the average usage of the solar charging system is 24 hours per day, as the system is 100% powered by solar, and the load has DC system voltage of 12 volt for DC motor and 10 ampere of solar charger controller. The power requirement for the load is calculated by using power equal to voltage times current. Total ampere hour per day used by this project is 240 ampere hour per day. In conclusion, every pet owner schedule is different, and some may not have a resident to feed their pet. This suggested smart pet feeders solve the problem and make it easier for pet owner to care for their pet from a distance. A smartphone is used to control and monitor the device from a remote location. It also displays statistical data. Automatic food dispensing and food intake control are among the features of the system. It could be used to feed pets on time with the amount of food necessary, as we said, which the normal approach could not achieve. Project features. This project is in black color. The capacity is 2 liter. Overall size, there are 35 cm height and 14 cm width. Dry food size only 10 mm diameter, because if too small, the food will stuck in the rubber blade. This smart pet feeder suit for all size, dog and cat. Power supply is fully solar system, which can save your electricity bill. And Wi-Fi version is app control. Timing feeding up to 6 times per day. This is my project prototype. The pin is stand for cable. Under this case, I put load cell for measure the weight. On the other side, there is HX711. Here is motor, 12-volt motor driver. And inside this case, I make a hole for ESP8266. And then I'll disconnect with solar charge controller. This one the solar charge the battery. This 12-volt battery and solar panel. At first, set time and after set time, set the load that we need. I set 0.4. As you see in the display is 1 kilogram in the kilogram. This the weight of the blue casing.